Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm so happy that you are back. I know it's been a while, and thank you guys for staying with me. And now we are going to do a little revamp of this master's guest suite we have. And one thing that I don't like about our master suite is the shower heads. You can see the difference where the shower head is to compare to the shower itself and the handle. So it is very difficult for me to, when I'm cleaning, to get water all over in the corner over there. So what I'm planning to do, and I hope you stick to the end, is give it a little lift, if you know what I'm thinking about. And one thing that I want to do in the future also is to add another shower head and take the tiles right up to the ceiling. I think that is going to just lift it more, but we're not doing all of that today. What we're going to do is change the faucet and change up things a bit. So stay till the end so you can see the transformation that this room is going to have, this red bathroom is going to have. I really love that I have a good helper. My husband is just taking out the faucet head, and I found this amazing I love this one that I found on Amazon, which I'm going to have to link it in my Amazon storefront and also in my LTK. I wanted something with a hose so it can be easy to clean the shower glass and to spout the water in the corners when I'm scrubbing, because sometimes we have guests and they might try and clean up the shower before they leave, but I love to, when I go in, to give it a good deep clean in this bathroom. And I love it because this is the largest bathroom we have here. The one in our owner's suite is not as big as this shower because we have a frameless shower. So this one doesn't have a frameless shower. I also changed out the stopper right here for black, so I'm going more with a black theme in this bathroom. And I got everything I said from Amazon. So I see my husband just scraped off all the silicone which was on the last one, popped out the old one and popped in the new one. And guys, the difference that just changing the faucet made is so impactful that anyone can do it, and it's an easy upgrade that you can do in your home. I also added dispenser holders and new dispensers. And what I love about this one, the magnet soap holder, that you can just put the magnet in the soap and it's easily attached. These are some dispenser holders that I got from Amazon, and I'm going with the black labels and put in my shampoo, my soap and my conditioner for the guests, or even sometimes when we don't have any guests, whoever wants to use that shower can use it and have at their disposal. So I'm just adding them to the wall, and because sometimes I don't want to have a lot of bottles in the floor, so this is a very easy way to elevate your home. I hope you get some inspiration from this video. And this is what I was telling you guys with the magnet. I also got this little cute bench from Home Goods, and add some towel holders and add some white towels. We don't have any guests right now. We should be having guests, I think, later down in May. So I just love to, I'll be doing my content in the master suite, so I wanted to just have this room always prepared. So here now I'm having this black tape that I got from Amazon again, guys. Amazon is just doing it, and I already started putting it on the frame of the shower, and I love how it looks. I put it on the mirror, but I don't know what happened. I lost the footage, but you'll see in the end that how it works on the mirror. I think it's made for mirrors, but I put it on the frame, and guys, it came out so good. Look at how it is looking, and it's have the adhesive on the back of it, so long as you smooth it out, it went on pretty smooth. The transition was absolutely amazing. And easy like this, you can give your bathroom different upgrade. If you're a black lover, gold lover, they also come in different colors of this tape and the different size of the tape. The one that I have is 2 inches wide. I don't remember how many yards of it was, but 1 yard did the mirror, and 1 yard, I think it was 1 yard did the frame. because I didn't put the black on the tape on the inside of it, just in case of water touching it. So I just leave it on the outside that when you can see it in. But it turned out pretty cute, and make sure you let me know what you think in the description. After doing that, as you can see it in the mirror, it is so beautiful. So let us go ahead and style. I'm just adding some washcloths for anyone who want to wash their face, and this gold vase which I got for a few years now from Home Goods, and these stems from Amazon. And this is the end results, guys. We still have to change these doors to 8-foot doors in this bathroom, but that's for another day, another time. I also added the black stone mat, and I think it's absolutely amazing. I love it. So this is the end of it. It was pretty short and cute. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna let me know if you want more longer content or shorter content. But I'll see you on the next one, and God bless, and I'll see you guys.